In this video, we'll talk about how to preserve your youthful look. Looking young and fresh isn't all about your arms and legs, but also your skin. Research has proven that the appearance of a woman's hands, chest, and arms has great impacts on how young or old she is perceived to be. As established earlier, aging is inevitable. However, you can put off the process as long as possible. This chapter will pinpoint ways you can maintain your youthful look and slow the aging process. Avoid sun exposure. It's not possible to totally avoid sun exposure due to its importance. Nonetheless, it's vital to stay out of the sun as much as possible because of the effect it has on your health. Experts suggest that sun exposure is responsible for 90% of the skin's obvious signs of aging. As stated earlier, excessive sun exposure causes age spots, early appearance of wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Apart from skin problems, excessive exposure to the sun can increase your temperature, leading to fever. It can also lead to dehydration, which makes the skin dry and increase the risk of premature aging due to the appearance of wrinkles. So you have a lot to lose when you have a habit of staying under the sun a lot. Wear sunscreen. Due to the fact that you'll have to go under the sun at one point or the other, it's crucial that you protect your skin. Therefore, you need to wear sunscreen. UV light can be in the form of UVA and UVB rays, but none is beneficial. When you wear a quality sunscreen with an SPF rating of 50 and above, you'll be able to protect yourself from these dangerous rays. Ensure that what you are getting is a broad-spectrum sunscreen because it can keep out both UVA and UVB rays. Note that the sun's rays are out regardless of the visibility of the sun every day, so endeavor to wear sunscreen daily. Besides, you need to reapply it every few hours for maximum protection. Drink more water. Water is life. It is a crucial fluid that is essential for various activities, including internal processes in the body. It acts as a solvent that reduces the acidity and corrosiveness of many substances that could have caused damages. Water is crucial to ensuring that your skin maintains its youthful glow. Experts recommend that you drink up to 8 glasses of filtered water daily to boost your chances of keeping your skin radiant. When you don't have enough fluid in your skin, it will lead to dehydration, which makes your skin look dry and dull. Meanwhile, the result of dry and dull skin is more wrinkles and an increase in the aging process. Additionally, drinking sufficient water replenishes the tissues and cells of your skin, thereby giving you healthier and younger-looking skin. So you'll increase your chances of maintaining your youthfulness and health when you consume enough water each day. Get more sleep. Getting enough sleep is one of the crucial ways you can maintain your youthful appearance. While sleeping, your body continuously releases hormones that facilitate cell turnover and renewal. Take advantage of that period to use powerful exfoliants and wrinkle erasers such as retinoids and beta-hydroxyl acid. Nonetheless, you have to be careful with sun exposure when you use these substances because they can increase your sensitivity to sunlight. Do all you can to make your sleep as restorative as possible. If your bed isn't comfortable enough, buy a new one that can support your body. You can also consider getting a satin pillowcase. When you keep turning and tossing on a rough fabric like cotton, it can speed up the aging process. It can lead to the breakdown of collagen in your skin, thereby increasing the risk of having wrinkles. Use moisturizers. Water is limited in helping your skin stay hydrated because it only works from the inside. So you need something else that can aid the process from the outside. Moisturizers are your best bet in this regard. Ensuring that your skin is hydrated improves its appearance. However, it does more than that because it also ensures that your body is stronger to fight off irritants. Moisturizers contain 2 crucial ingredients that improve your skin: humectants and emollients. Humectants draw in water from the atmosphere to your skin, while emollients hold in moisture and help to strengthen your skin's lipid barrier. Note that the qualities of these products aren't the same, so you should be careful when purchasing one. Clinical grade products are the best because they offer better absorption and penetration into the skin. Maintain a daily skin care routine. The best way to ensure that you keep your youthful appearance is to ensure that your skin doesn't encounter a problem. To achieve this, you need a consistent routine for maintaining your skin. For example, use an exfoliant and cleanser every day. You should also ensure that you're using the appropriate treatments and serums. If you use products that aren't compatible with your skin type, it can lead to some skin issues. Your routine should also involve the use of a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated daily. Limit caffeine consumption. Indeed, caffeine has health benefits. It's a stimulant that helps you to stay alert and focused, which is crucial in optimizing efficiency. However, whatever is in excess will be counterproductive. If you consume a lot of caffeine, it will take its toll on your skin. It can dehydrate your body and make it lose vital nutrients needed for keeping you healthy. Sadly, some of the effects might be irreversible, so it's in your best interest to ensure that you take this substance moderately. There is no substitute for taking good care of your skin. Whatever you do today will reflect in your body later. You might not see the consequences immediately because you are young. Your body can still fight off toxins and keep you in good health at the moment. Nevertheless, a time is coming when your body will not be as strong as it is at the moment. When that time comes, you might regret not looking after yourself when you were younger. See a dermatologist. There are many cases of people who have used home remedies to take care of their skin and got great results. So it's not out of place to seek solutions that can help you maintain your glow. However, you are in safe hands when you meet an expert in that field. This approach will ensure that you don't risk the unknown side effects of some medications and treatments. So you don't have to wait until something goes wrong before you contact a skincare professional. It's especially crucial to see an expert when you aren't getting positive results. The expert will be in the best position to let you know what you're doing wrong in those situations.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.